Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use spore prints to grow mushrooms full guide. Start by removing the stem cleanly and placing the cap gill side down on foil or paper. Cover with a jar to prevent air drafts, and wait 12 to 48 hours for spores to deposit before collecting the print for storage or inoculation. Gather a clean workspace, foil or paper, and a jar to cover the cap. Then pick a mature mushroom and remove the stem. Place the cap gill side down and cover loosely to reduce drafts, then wait patiently for spores to deposit. Check after 12 to 48 hours, seal and label the print, and store it dry and cool until you are ready to use it for inoculation or microscopy. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for keeping your grow area clean with voice control and automated schedules. It helps manage dust and debris so you focus on cultivation. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Prepare your substrate or agar and sterilize it according to established methods. Then decide whether to use a spore print directly or make a spore syringe. To make a syringe, scrape spores into sterile water and draw into a sterile syringe, keep everything clean and labeled, and inoculate cooled sterile substrate by injecting or streaking. Incubate in a controlled environment until mycelium colonizes the substrate fully before moving to fruiting conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.